Hello, I'm Chad.
And I'm Lydia.
And you are watching Lynn's News on Channel 12.
Our main topic for today is the kid who thought he was oh so sexy.
It's actually a tragic story.
I know it is.
So there was this kid named Lucas, and every day he would wake up in the morning and look in the mirror and say to himself, "Why am I so sexy?" In reality though, he was just a normal person.
Lucas has this clan of friends that he has trained to say stay sexy every time they see him. Because he is so obsessed with himself and how sexy he is. Anyway, back to the point, Lucas would tell anyone that he saw that he was so sexy, and they would look at him like, "What? Why are you telling me this?" Since no one believed he was sexy, Lucas got an idea. He created a special potion and started slipping it into people's drinks and putting it on their food. This potion has no taste whatsoever, and it has a harmless effect on the body, but a severe effect on the mind. He called this potion the Sexy Potion.
The Sexy Potion would erase all of the memory from the brain. The only thing that people could think about or talk about was Lucas. If you heard the words, "Lucas is sexy and I know it," you would then become infected with this mental disease. Within a few weeks, over half of the state of California was infected with this potion. And within 3 months this infection has spread to over half of the population of the United States.
Doctors are trying to find a cure for this disease. To prevent yourself from coming in contact with this disease, you need to stay inside of your home for the next 2 weeks, and if anyone comes to your door, do not answer it. Also, don't accept food or drinks from anyone. This disease is extremely harmful and could destroy the entire species of humans.
Lucas is on the run and police are trying to catch him. If you have any tips of where Lucas may be, please call 1-888-NOT-SEXY.
Lastly, to all of you watching this, Lucas is not sexy, and this is what can happen when you think you are sexy and become obsessed about it.